Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Are you interested? Just keep watching. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. A hyperlink is a piece of text or image that can be used as a clickable link to another file, document, or web page listed in a document. First, we are going to create a hyperlink to a web page. The fastest way to insert a hyperlink in our Microsoft Word document is to type the address of the existing web page, such as www.google.com, and press Enter or the spacebar. We can see that Word automatically converts the address into a clickable link, which we can easily recognize in the text because of its blue color and underlining. To open the hyperlink, we must press the Control button and click on the hyperlink. Microsoft Word will open the website in our default web browser. If you do not want to type a page's full name in your text, you can also create a hyperlink from a simple word. Here is how you are going to do that. You need to select the text you want to display as a hyperlink and highlight it. In this video, it is going to be the word Google. Once you highlight the word, navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon where you will look for the Links group and select the option Link. You can see that an Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears on your screen where you will type or paste your link in the address box. We are going to type www.google.com. If you do not see the address box at the bottom of the dialog box, ensure Existing File or Web Page is selected on the right side of the box under Link to. Additionally, we can type different display text for our link in the Text to Display box at the top of the dialog box. For example, say we do not want to display the word Google as a hyperlink in the text. We can change it. The new word search, redirecting us to google.com. If you do not know the address of your hyperlink, click the icon Browse the Web right under Text to Display box to locate the URL on the internet and copy it. Eventually, you can click Browsed Pages right under Link to and search for recently browsed pages. Confirm with the OK button. Now, we will create hyperlinks to a document on our computer. First, you need to select the text you want to display as a hyperlink. For this purpose, we highlight Link to the document. Then, we navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon where we look for the Links group and select the option Link. To link to an existing file, we click Existing File or Web Page under Link to, and then we find and select the file in our device by using the Look in a List box. If the document we want to create a hyperlink to is in the same folder as our current Word document, we will use the Current Folder list right under Look In. In this video, we will link our document to Office Master Document. Click on OK, and that is it. If we click on our Link to the Document hyperlink, Microsoft Word will automatically open the Office Master Document. We will create a hyperlink to a location in the current document. For example, let's create a link to the top of our document. For this purpose, we highlight the word Top of the document. Then, we navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon and select Link. On the right side of the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, right under Link to, we choose the option Place in this document. We can see the three options in the list: the top of the document, headings, and bookmarks. we are going to choose the option top of the document. Confirm with the OK button. And here are 2 tips for you. To create a hyperlink faster, you can also press the Control button and the K button. You can also right-click the word and choose Link on the shortcut menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.